The saying is nothing good happens after midnight. That's a true statement.
I'm a New York City homicide detective, so I've seen death, horrific murder scenes. These are real experiences, actual detailed events. Sutton Place. It's not for the rich, it's for the filthy rich.
There was a party here last night. There was a kid that's missing.
He didn't walk out of here alive.
What happened in that apartment?
There are other victims of the Central Park jogger case.
He gave her an ultimatum.
Your eyes or your kids. That was the last time I saw my mom.
What happened in that room, it's not something you can just forget about.
There was no excuse to kill somebody, especially somebody that you loved.
He has to pay for my daughter's life.
We needed a body to put these people away. We knew they did it.
My son and I are innocent.
There's something more than a mother and son relationship.
Holding hands, complimenting his mother's looks.
There's a big explosion. Boom.
The world that existed on September 10th, that's gone.
My whole world was changed. The whole world was changed.
You find out what you're really made of. You find out what it is to be a team player. You find out how important life is.
You want to find out the truth. That's what detectives do.
Compassion for the victims, that's the most important thing.
Through tragedy, it shows me what we're capable of.
The NYPD. This is it.